Hi, welcome back to this episode. On this one, we're going to be fitting the exhaust, some plastic bits as well for it, and a few more bits. So, like I said in the last episode, I had the choice of a few exhausts, but I wanted to go with something different because everyone's got Apropovic, Arrow, Wings, and other brands as well there. Um, so I actually chosen Tekmo to go with it as a full system. So yeah, it was a bit pricey, but I just wanted something a bit different. You don't see that many around on YouTube, on the internet, and even on the road. They got really good reviews from the guy that I bought from, and yeah, so I've chosen this one. It's very light. As you can see, as I'm doing it, don't forget to fit the gasket. That's very important because if you don't, it might melt your tank. Just be aware of that. But yeah, and I've actually been told by someone who races them, they sound really good as well. That's why I've chosen. And as well, I didn't want something that would be too loud. I just wanted a nice sound. A bit loud, but not deafening. So yeah, I went with this one. Compared to the stock one, is very light. So I've lost quite a bit of weight on the bike as well. That I'm quite happy with that. As you can see, start putting the rest of the plastics. I've been waiting for that to start doing this for a while now, so I'm really happy. And as well, I actually got the graphic kit for it already, and it looks really nice. It will transform the bike the way it looks completely. So yeah, I can't wait to show you and see if you like it as well. I think you will. I think it's a good looking graphic kit, so I'm really pleased. Another thing that I want to be doing is the wheels. Like I said before, I wanted to remove the stickers and maybe getting cerakoted and just changing slightly, or even something new. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into it, see what I can do with it as well. But definitely doing something. But because we live in UK and it's summer now, and I want to be out on a bike riding, I'll probably be leaving the wheels till the winter and then changing something on the wheels. So I don't want to keep the stickers. I think it looks okay for now. It will do now for the summer. Just riding and then changing. But that's just in the winter, and I might do a few more bits in the winter, but I still got a few things to fit on the bike, still not finished yet, but the rest of it we'll be doing through the winter. So maybe a few more videos on that. And as well, I've got other bikes that I want to be doing stuff to it as well, so this project is taking me a while. So I'll probably be just putting together, enjoying it. As you can see, all the fairings is going back on. Just leaves me the back one to do it, because I've got new tail tidy coming and that still hasn't arrived, so I'll leave that one without for now. Next thing I'll be fitting is the exhaust guard from Tekmo. It's the shield, so it doesn't basically don't burn your leg. So yeah. So the left hand side is now completed. Let's start the right hand side now, again. Another thing I've been looking into it is to buy a new camera. More likely it'll be a GoPro 9. I want to improve what I can do, not just with the phone, give it different angles. It's a lot better. And another thing I want to improve is the editing. So I'm looking into it to see which one I'm going to choose. At the moment I use something is for free, so it's not, I don't think it's good enough to carry on with this, because I will be doing a lot more videos. I can access different things. So next thing I'll be doing is taking the fuel cap, and I'm going to be installing the vanasche. It's made of aluminium, like you can see. Really good quality. Plus I hate anything with keys when you come to fuel. All my other bikes always had killers, so really good. Can't wait to install it and see how it looks on the bike. As well, as I was mentioning before about the website to do some editing, if anyone of you know any good one that you would recommend, or you watch this movie and you actually are a YouTuber that actually does editing, it would be great if you could mention to me which one to use it. Yeah, because I haven't got much experience on that. As you can see as well, another thing I forgot to add on the exhaust, tekmo exhaust, you can actually see the orange bit just by the carbon. That was add extra because it comes with the black one. So where I bought the exhaust, being so expensive, David Cornish, he had one of those, so he just put it in, and I think he just finished it off. Not in this angle, you can't see it that well, but on the other angles you'll be able to see it looks good with just a tiny bit of orange, just finish it off really. So yeah, as you can see, it's basically 3 screws, get it off, put the O-ring back on and put the other one back on, so it's not difficult at all. Yeah, like I said, I hate having any keys when you get to the petrol station. Take it off, put it off, and like that it just makes it a lot easier, and it gives a bit more bling into the bike. So as you can see, looks really nice. Really pleased with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.